So this is going to be attempt 2 in fixing Blondie Lockes' hair. If you saw my previous video, I attempted to get the glue seepage stickiness from her hair in a couple of different methods that I hadn't tried before. Didn't work, so I'm going back to googan, which is this stuff. This is a chemical. Children should not be using this, but you know, desperate times. So I put on these disposable gloves because I'm going to use a slightly different technique than my previous film that used googan. Instead of dunking her whole head in a cup of googan, I'm just going to put a little bit right around her scalp where the hair is sticky, like this. Just kind of like applying shampoo. A little bit of saturation. And then I'm going to massage it into her hair at the scalp. And once I'm done doing this, I'm going to let it sit for at least 2 hours and then wash it out. I'm also going to get her bangs. They're a little bit sticky too. Okay, so she's been setting for a while in her googan hair mask, and I'm gonna wash it out a couple of times using just some regular dish soap until I get some sudsy lather, and then I will be cleaning it with this wig cleanser, but you could just use regular shampoo. And then I will be following up with some conditioner. Now I've boiled some water, you can probably see the steam, and I'm gonna dip just the ends of her hair in hot water. Because she did have glue seepage, I don't want the hot water applied directly to her scalp because that's just gonna make more glue seep out. So I just wanna get her ends that were all frizzy, and then I'm going to curl them. So you can probably hear my radiator in the background, but the first thing I'm going to do is just comb out her bangs. And then I'm going to start taking her hair in small sections and rolling them with plastic straws that I cut up and securing them with these little plastic clippies. So I'm going to start with this section. I'll clip off everything else. Just comb this out. Okay. And I'll do a spiral. And I will keep going like that. Now that her hair is all in curls, I'm going to dip it again in boiling hot water. Again, making sure that I don't get the hot water on her scalp because I do not want to cause more glue seepage. And now let this air dry overnight. So it's the next morning and her hair is fully dry, so I'm going to take all of the clips and straws out. So this is the result, and I'm just going to pull out the curls a little and possibly brush it out depending on how it looks. So I loosely pulled apart the curls and I think it looks fine the way it is, and I'm just going to keep it this way. So she's looking super cute and I think very Blondie Lockes.